All right, we have a 1984 911 Carrera Sunroof Coupe. This car is called, well, I'll use the English translation to the word. It's like Ziggurlot red, or American English is brick red metallic. Obviously, I slaughtered the correct German pronunciation. But it's a unique color, unique car. I've had this car a couple of times. I've got a nice big file, service tickets on the car. So a well-serviced vehicle. Nice clean Carfax, no accident history. Nice paint, good Carrera. 16-inch Fuchs with hand-painted center caps. Look down the sides of the car. You can see how straight it is. Clean in the nose, fenders, hood, windshield seal, no rust, good clean windshield. Sunroof car. Real unique color. I think it's beautiful. Carrera tail versus the turbo tail, which is a great line on these coupes. Not too big, just enough. Really nice stance on this car. We just came off of a driving video. The car pulled real strong. It's not a leaker, not a smoker. All your rear lenses are in nice shape. Bumperettes are nice. These are clean, they're not faded, not broken, no moisture. Straight down this side too. I'll get down here and show you how straight the sides are. No door dings, no waviness. Accident-free car, original quarter panels, original fenders, correct Fuchs, well serviced, nice service file, nice driving. Why would you not want this car? Great unique color. The interior is in nice shape. It has the typical leather shrinking dash. Porsche doesn't charge anything for that. Nice leather seats, good condition. Carpets are clean. I remember in 1984 I was selling these cars, and leather dash cars would shrink in 6 months. This one is shrunk. You can either put a cap on it or replace it, or live with it. I'm a live with it kind of guy. I like the patina of the original cars, and whatever they do, they do. Door panels, door cards are straight and clean, tidy. Has nice Porsche floor mats. Another look at the seats. Again, not a rusty car, no accidents. All right, I'm going to give you one more profile shot. And there you go, 1984 Carrera Coupe. 1984 Carrera Coupe. Well-serviced car. Tight drive, good tires. Nice gauges. Steering wheel. Synchros are good. Down to 30.